Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the competition winners announcement video. I just want to say a massive thank you to three companies: DC 3D Designs, Cow's Customs and Autobeam. Without those three, I couldn't have made a giveaway this massive for you guys. There is so much stuff up for grabs right now, and just thank you hugely to those three companies. The way it's going to work, whoever wins these, I'm going to have a pinned comment down in the comments. So you can basically message me there. You can message me on Instagram, which is at Car Rambles, which will also appear here now. And you can also email me at this email that's going to appear on my forehead, which is carramblesst@gmail.com, I think. Either way, the email up there, you can email me. So if you don't have Instagram or you're struggling to get hold of me, email me and 100% you'll get hold of me. Everyone's got an email address. Anyway, on to the winners. So we're going to go onto a website. It's called commentpicker.com. Completely random. All I do is put in a YouTube URL. So this one that I'm highlighting right now. That is the URL to the giveaway that you guys have entered on or that you've commented in. I'm then filtering by comments based on specific text. So as long as you guys have put main, Mark 7 or Mark 8, you'll be entered into the giveaway. So just randomly, I've got main typed here, and it's got 135 comments from you guys. So it's 135 entries for the main giveaway. If you ask to type in Mark 7, hopefully there should be about 100 and something for you guys if you've got a Mark 7. 126, so 126 of you who have entered the giveaway have a Mark 7 and want to win the Mark 7. And obviously if I was doing Mark 8, I have a feeling you Mark 8 owners that follow me are going to be very, very lucky and with a huge chance to win. And I mean huge. 4 comments for the Mark 8 Fiestas. You guys, I mean, you've got a 25% chance to win right now. So fingers crossed for whoever those 4 are. One of you guys are going to win. But anyway, let's start with the main giveaway. So this video is going to have all 3 giveaways. I'm going to quickly showcase what you guys have won, and basically you'll get hold of me and then all the stuff will get sent to you. What we're going to do is I'm going to do the main giveaway first, then we're going to do Mark 7s, then we're going to do Mark 8, and then we're going to have a really, really quick Q&A session at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned for the whole thing. Obviously there's a lot of content for you guys, but the more you watch, the more you'll kind of find out about either me or the giveaway itself. But anyway, on to the main giveaway. We're going to get the comments. So this is the main giveaway. So this will be for all the merch. I'll quickly throw up on screen now what you guys will win with this giveaway. So first of all, from DC 3D Designs, it's appeared on screen now. You have a aluminium build number. So that's either for an SD or another Fiesta. You've got a handbrake cover. You can either have a gel one or a standard one. You can have a turbo gauge surround, a shifter knob with reverse lockout, a magnetic sump plug, and 2 silicone key fob covers. So that is what you'll win from DC 3D Designs. Secondly, we've got Cow's Customs. You'll win a personalised aluminium photo. You can have whatever you want printed onto that. We have a key dangle. So you can either have black or white, completely up to you. So these are basically shorter lanyards is the easiest way. More of like a hang off your keychain kind of thing. And I should say, you're also going to win a lanyard, a black and white lanyard, or a white and black lanyard, depending on which one you want, so you can win that. I would say once again, these are more for hanging actual keys off of rather than hanging from your keys, if that makes sense. Personalised mug, once again, you can have whatever you want on there, whatever picture you want, have your car printed on it, it's completely up to you. And you're going to win a Car Rambles t-shirt. This is available on my merch store. That'll be down in the description. Make sure you buy one. But you can either have a black t-shirt with a white logo like I'm wearing now, or a white t-shirt with a black logo. Completely up to you, but you get to pick whatever colours you want. So that is all coming your way. And finally, a custom sun strip. So you get to work with Callum at Cal's Custom, and he will basically design you a sun strip that you want, get it shipped out to you, and then you can install it, obviously following my video. However you want, whatever you want, he'll get it done for you. So that's Cal's Customs giveaway. So anyway, on to the giveaway. So this is the main giveaway right now coming up. We're going to get the comments. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and then we're going to hit start and see what happens. Good luck to anyone who has entered, and thank you guys for supporting me. So it's picking a random winner now. And the winner is... No way. Mr. Finnegan. You've won. Completely random. You've won. That is incredible. He's one of the first ever people to follow my channel, and I mean one of the first ever people to follow my channel, and I cannot believe he's won. In my opinion, I'm actually really happy about that because he's one of the first ever subscribers on my channel. So congratulations, Mr. Finnegan. You have won the giveaway. You have won all of that stuff I just mentioned, and it's all coming your way. So congratulations, my man. Anyway, we're going to go straight on to the second giveaway. So congratulations. I'll get in contact with you, or you get in contact with me. Seriously, mate, congratulations. That's made me actually really, really happy for you. On to the Mark 7. So for the Mark 7 giveaway, this is what you're going to win. You're going to win some LED number plate units. So these are basically for your little number plate section, make your number plate light up really, really bright. These are incredibly bright. I haven't actually got these on my car yet. Hint, hint. But I'm sure you guys are going to love these. I've seen them, seen pictures of them and how bright they are. They're insane. So check them out. Awesome. But you're going to be winning one of those. You're going to be winning 2 rubber caps. I wonder what's coming next. You are going to be winning LED H7 bulbs. So these are for your dip beam. Autobeam has given us these bulbs to give away to you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to them once again. There's a lot of money obviously spent with all 3 companies here. But you are going to be getting some H7 dip beam bulbs. And not only that, you're also going to be getting a fog light unit. So these are once again LED fog lights, incredibly bright. I'm actually running a variation of these on my car, and they're awesome. So seriously guys, you're going to be winning dipped beams, fog lights, number plate unit, and 2 rubber caps. So for you Mark 7 guys, that is what you're going to be winning. So let's get straight onto it now. Let's not waste any more time. So we're going to get the comments. Mark 7 owners, there's 126 of you. Once again, we're going to start the raffle. Random winner, hands off. It's all happening now. Waiting for the name to appear. And we have got Richard H. So Richard H, congratulations. You have won Autobeam's crazy stuff back here. So you've won one of them. And some of these. So you've won all of that. I will get that sent out to you personally. I'll also throw in a few of my own personal stickers. You've also got, I forgot to mention, some stickers from Autobeam. We've got some air fresheners as well. And a cool little Autobeam keychain for you. So you have won a lot of stuff. So thank you once again for entering. That was Richard H. You have won the Mark 7 Fiesta giveaway by Autobeam. Let's go straight onto the Mark 8. We're going to get the comments, all 4 of you. We're going to go down, we're going to press start, and we're going to go straight into it. All 4 of you flying across the screen right now. Mark 8 enthusiast, congratulations my man. You have won the Mark 8 giveaway. You have won. I'm going to start off with the most exciting thing that you have won. An air freshener. A keychain thing. They're the most exciting things. I may have forgot to mention that you also won their new ambient DRL units. You've won it. Congratulations my man, these are freshly hot off the press. I'm sure you're going to love these. These are an amazing unit from what I've seen. I've seen Ash's video and they are awesome. So I'm sure you're going to love them. I wish I could install them on my Mark 7. Let's just say that, I really do. So you've won a set of them. You have also won fog lights, LED fog lights. Ta-da! And finally, you have won LED footlight units. So, you've got the DRLs, you've got the fog lights, and you've got the footwell units, and you've got some air fresheners, you've got some stickers, keychain coming, you've got it all. So Mark 8 enthusiast, I guess your name says it all. congratulations, my man. You have won some incredible stuff, and I really, really hope you enjoy it. But anyway, that concludes the giveaway. Congratulations to all our winners. Richard H for the Mark 7, Mark 8 Enthusiast for the Mark 8, funny enough. And I can't pronounce your first name, but Mr. Finnegan, we'll call you Mr. Finnegan. You have won my merch / everything else main giveaway, presented by DC 3D Designs and Cal's Customs. So once again, huge thank you to the 3 companies that supported this video. I couldn't have done it without you. All these items will be sent out to you. Please, 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 please get in contact with me on either the comment down below, so there's going to be a pinned comment. Get in contact with me on that pinned comment. On Instagram, if you have Instagram, contact me there. That will probably be the quickest method to get in contact with me. Or on email. Okay, so they're all going to be on the screen now, all over my face. Get in contact with me one of those 3 ways. You have a week to get hold of me, and then we'll be sending out all the stuff, and all the companies will start working with you to kind of create a personalized package. So DC 3D Designs and Cal's Customs will talk to you and work out the best way of what you want, where you want it, and the kind of different customizations that you can have. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.